Good afternoon, students. Now, all of you must have received your admit cards. Some of you must have started traveling to your exam city. Some of you are sitting at home preparing. The last leg of your preparation is now on. 3rd of August is the exam date. The last piece of advice that I want to give to my students. Till now, I was telling you, preparation के time पे be calm, don't be anxious, don't be apprehensive, don't overthink, don't go into that vicious spiral. Right? I was telling you, calm रहो, relax रहो, अपनी पढ़ाई अच्छे से करो. अब लास्ट मिनट एडवाइस मेरा आपको ये है कि जब आप एग्जाम हॉल में घुसोगे तब आपको ये रिलैक्सेशन, ये कामनेस वहाँ पे इस तरीके से नहीं दिखानी है कि आप अपने क्वेश्चंस को रीड करने में रिलैक्सेशन दिखाओ. You know, the major reason of mistakes that students make is that they don't read the MCQ completely. The first thing that you have to do is you have to be present in the exam hall in attack mode. Attack mode to the MCQs. Take each MCQ as a bullet which is coming from the enemy and you have to deal with it. Every MCQ, read it, each and every line, because there are sometimes tricks which are hidden in the MCQs between the lines. So don't read every MCQ like, ये तो मुझे आता है, मैं कर लूँगा, and then you suddenly jump to the MCQs, the options, and then you mark them. Don't do that. Read each and every MCQ properly, each and every word, read it properly. Understand what the examiner is asking you in that MCQ. Understand that, okay? Don't jump to conclusions. And then read all the options. So even if you see that the first option is correct, still read all the options. A very common mistake, say the question is which of the following is incorrect, and in that option B and option C are incorrect, right? And the fourth option is option B and C are incorrect. Now you go to option B, you say this is incorrect, you tick that. You don't even bother to read option C, which is also incorrect, and then actually you're supposed to mark option D, which was option B and C are incorrect. So please don't do these careless mistakes. Now is not the time. So when you go in the exam hall, you go in an attack mode, in an offensive mode. I am going to click, I'm going to deal with each and every MCQ as it comes, right? But more importantly, don't waste your time on MCQs, because you know the time period that you have. You have very limited time. You have just 210 minutes for 200 MCQs. Effectively, you have 1.05 minutes for one MCQ. And you know they come in sections. There will be 5 sections of 40 MCQs. And once that section time is over, they will just change the section. So you have to solve the 42 questions. You also have to revise them, see again, and you also have to attempt those which you have left. So you don't really have a lot of time. Here you have to be in supersonic speed. Once you reach in the exam hall, don't go into that calm mode, don't go into relaxed mode. Get your adrenaline pumping, remember your God, whomsoever you believe in, and just get on it. This is the state that you have to be in the exam hall. Get your adrenaline pumping, not for anxiety, not for apprehension or tension or overthinking, but your adrenaline has to pump to solve the MCQs. So this is the last minute of advice that I wanted to give to you students, and please follow them. There are a lot of videos that I have uploaded also on what to do and what not to do. You can see them and get benefit. All the best.